Jameson.
Mm-hmm.
Who is that?
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Jameson. Who is that?
Oh, that's Rob Schneider.
Jameson.
Judge Dredd.
It's Judge Dredd. But who is that?
Rob Schneider.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Real Life Rydell's. I am actually driving right now from Carthage to Marshall. Our youngest daughter Brooklyn is having her dance recital. Dress rehearsal tonight and then the actual recitals tomorrow, so I'm on my way there. So what we wanted to do, as we're in the middle of all of this, with the kids hanging back, with Brooklyn being at all these rehearsals this week, with Janet and I both working on different projects, me trying to get stuff packed up for my business trip, her trying to get stuff packed up for a trip to see my sister. There's not a lot of all of us together right now. And when we are, it's usually quiet moments of just, conversations, playing card games, spending time as a family. Given that we only started this channel in April, we have a lot of videos from last summer. So last summer was the epitome of what a dream summer should be like. Just had a blast. Anyway, so what we're gonna do today with this episode is we're gonna kind of do Real Life Rydell's rewind, if you will. There's not gonna be a lot of narration because we didn't have a YouTube audience. We were just kind of chronicling things for ourselves, documenting memories that we wanted to hang on to. And so just invite you to enjoy some of the fun and the silliness of our kids before there was a YouTube channel, before they knew there was an audience. It's just them goofing off and being themselves. Who plays Rocky Balboa?
Who is Rocky Balboa?
Oh my God, Jameson, I failed you as a father. I'm so sorry.
Dad, you have not failed.
Jameson, that's not Rob Schneider.
Then why does it say Rob Schneider?
Because Rob Schneider's in that movie, but that's not Rob Schneider. And that's not Arnold Schwarzenegger. They are friends, but that's not Arnold Schwarzenegger. He was in Guardians of the Galaxy 2.
John C. Reilly?
No, he was in Guardians of the Galaxy 1. You know who John C. Reilly is! I got you. Keep going. Katie, bring me the monkey. Katie, bring me the monkey. Katie, bring me the monkey. No, bring me the monkey. Never mind.
Well,
his name is Sylvester. You still don't know?
I still don't know.
Kid knows how to make me nervous. He's driving as close to the trees as he can. Dear God, please let him remember where the brake is. He's nervous. I ain't moving. Put in park. Put in park.
I did.
How'd you do?
I don't know. How did I do?
Well, if you're all the way in park, then you did great. Tell everybody hi. Mr. Stallone, I apologize. I swear, I've shown him the Rocky movies. I think he's even seen part of Rambo before. He has no excuse for not knowing who you are. Please forgive. It's Sylvester Stallone.
How did I not know that?
I don't know, son.
So, Jameson, what do you think?
I think it's awesome.
Okay, watch the road, not me. You're headed back to the field.
Go for a little free running.
Free
A little
running?
what? Free running?
Not really.
Free roaming.
Free roaming. Exactly.
Okay, good. Nobody's over here.
Listening to my favorite song. One of my favorite songs.
Okay. Now slow down just a little bit.
Once you get through the gate, you can be back up. Alright, watch out for the horses. Left turn, Jason. Sharp left. So if they're over here, we're going to drive the other side of the field. Deal?
Who's out there? By himself?
No. Josh, Jason's right here. Josh.
Where's Brooklyn?
Probably with them. Yes.
You glad we're letting you drive?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it. There you go. That's
Yeah. John's working the song. We saw a Roadrunner earlier.
You did?
it.
Roll down the window.
I think you owe Sly an apology.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
I hit the tree!
What? Yes.
What did you do? Hey, little guys.
Hello to kitties.
Oh, they're so here.
Riley, show me. Aww. Me too. Isn't that gorgeous though?
What?
Just that. The wind blowing through the grass, the rain.
I wonder what it's like back at home.
I don't know.
I hope my apple tree's getting some rain.
Your apple tree's getting some rain.
I can't wait to check on it. Every once
Beautiful.
in a while I should check on it. But when we're away, there's no rain. I can check.
Hope you enjoyed those memories as much as we enjoyed making them. Probably not, because it was a lot more fun being there than just watching it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Do encourage y'all. We got some really cool things that are coming up. I've teased before that we have some animations that we're working on. It's a software where we've got a cartoon character for each of the members of our family. Where when we have stories that we don't necessarily catch on film, we can sit down and we can kind of retell them and animate those. So we've got some really fun stuff that's coming up. I encourage you, click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Click the bell to be notified anytime we post new content and new episodes. We are in a very, very busy season of our life, even with the summer, but this is the fun season because this is when we get to kind of focus on making memories and going on road trips and adventures and reconnecting with friends and our past, our memories. So anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Hope you'll have a great week, and we'll see you next episode.